Hey guys, what's going on? My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and we're going to be doing an OLSP update video for the month of October. I am excited to share with you. As you guys can see on my screen, I'm already right now having my commissions $1,141.85. Let's get into this OLSP update. All links and all resources are going to be in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. And in case you're interested in getting started, then let me know. So let's get into it, guys. Before I talk about the OLSP system, before I share more information about it, and I love this system. I've been a part of it for the last 5 years. It's grown on me. I was regretting that I didn't get started at the right time and so on and so forth. Lots of things happened there. But anyway, that's just my story. We're here on this channel to share my journey and I'm excited to do it. But I want to share with you primarily how my strategy works and how the OLSP system fits into this entire strategy because I don't want to confuse anyone. I want to make sure that you guys understand. I follow one simple affiliate marketing strategy, which is called a funded proposal, basically. And it builds an advertising budget for myself. And then I take that advertising budget and I buy advertising, I pay for solo ads, Facebook ads, so on and so forth, to go to kind of funnels. Let me just put it that way, funnel systems, if you want to call it. But I focus on the fact that there's a value add to the person. So I send them exactly things that make sense for them to help them, basically. Okay. And the main products that I personally use in my journey to, for example, help me with my Facebook marketing, to help me with my YouTube marketing, to help me with my solo ads also, is all related to the products that I share. Whether it's tools like system.io, whether it is tools like the OLSP system, because besides the fact that OLSP system is an entire system itself and it is an entire training ecosystem, I believe there's also a very powerful tool to have in your entire portfolio, in the sense that, let's say you want to take over and not have a really expensive email marketing tool and funnel builder tool. Well, with a certain level in the OLSP system, you're getting access to that for life. And imagine not having to pay and building multiple pages and multiple products and everything else at a very decent and low cost, if that's the case, just if it's the case, with a system like this. So it's a system that gives you training and tools to help you in your marketing journey, affiliate marketing journey. Okay. So that's what it is. But basically, what I do is I create a fund, I take that fund and then I use it to buy advertising, to send people basically to a system like the OLSP system, which is a funnel in itself. I send it to a funnel that does the selling and telling for me, and also talks about the training and everything else. Okay. Additionally, I have organic content that's out there, obviously, and that's how it's working for me. So it goes tandem, that has side by side both of those things running. And the OLSP system is a back end thing for me. Okay. So even in my own funnel, in my own course that I have, which I use this strategy as well, and I teach people about this strategy. I share with them how, if they want to learn about Facebook, if they want to learn about a specific strategy that I know is already a solution in the OLSP system, I'll guide them to that because it makes sense. Okay. So it's always about the conversations. It's always about helping people rather than just randomly sharing things and bombarding people. So in the OLSP system, I'm at a team builder level. What this basically means, and I think that, by the way, if you ask me, if you reach out to me at any point of time and you ask me, David, what is the best level to get started with the OLSP system, I would say this to you: if you have the money, get started at the team builder level. Why? Because it's the most comprehensive product that I have seen in the market at the moment, from training to tools to everything. Okay. And it has low ticket, it has high ticket, it has 200% commissions. It has so much to offer in terms of economic sides, in terms of training, it has a lot to offer. And in terms of technology, it has a lot to offer. So combining all those three elements together, I would say, is the best source for you. A lot of the other trainings that you have out there, I don't know, if to give you an example, there are multiple high ticket offers that, okay, you buy that high ticket offer, but you'll also need to get the right tools after that. So you might need to spend more money on tools, you might need to spend more money on etc, etc, etc. Here with the team builder, getting access to the mega builder, which is a software right here. You can see, I'm going to show you guys mega builder software right here, which literally tells you how to set everything up. So you're getting software, you're getting training, and you're getting products and training, in the sense that you're getting all the traffic training, all the knowledge that you need, plus you're getting high ticket products that you can sell on the back end, which you can still get a decent amount of commissions. So low ticket, high ticket, everything is under one roof here. You see how it's well packaged. So this is, if somebody asked me personally, I would say get started at the team builder level. The team builder level, just for full transparency guys, is a $2,000 level. So it's pretty much the similar offers that you would find out there. High ticket offers, it would be the same amount that you're spending. However, here it is a whole package all in one. You don't need anything else. That's the beauty of it. Okay. So that's how much it costs. If you want a discount for that, stick till the very end of this video. If you do want a discount for that, I will give you a way to get a discount. And I say discount, I mean a 50% discount on that team builder level. Okay, so just think about it and stay tuned till the very end of this video so that I can share that with you. But yes, I'm at the team builder level. I am loving it at the team builder level, and I think that it's adding a lot of value. As I said, primarily it gives you a training in your Facebook marketing. You're getting 200% commissions, and you're getting a software. These are the three things that are important from the front end. On the back end, you also get access to 50% commissions on the higher ticket or tier ticket products as well. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's the economic point of view. Otherwise, team builder costs $198. So it's a $2,000 for lifetime. Otherwise, it's cost $198 monthly payments for you guys to get access. Okay, so it's about $200 a month to have access to the team builder level. So it's up to you whether you want to go monthly or lifetime. I just think there's value in going lifetime. So if you can go lifetime, you don't have to pay ever again. Remember that. You make your money back and that's it, right? And that's how I think. But not me. Maybe you can consider getting the monthly rather than getting the lifetime. If you want to test it out, get the monthly. If you like it, then upgrade to the lifetime. It's really up to you. So that's the team builder. Mega builder costs $7. So you can get started for $7, or you can get started for the mega builder, I think, is $100 per month, and the team builder is $200 per month. So those are the price ranges. I would definitely say if you want to see what the OLSP system is about, get started with the mega link and then go up to team builder after that. It doesn't make sense to go in between, in my opinion. Just my personal opinion about it. Okay, I've been using it for the last 5 years. As I said, I've seen the evolution of this product. I've seen the drive and commitment from Wayne, the OLSP owner and CEO. And I've earned in commissions, guys. I've earned $162, 1,000, sorry, $1,622.16 in commissions, because I started to take it seriously only this year. So the previous years I was earning commissions every now and then, but I didn't really take it seriously. But as you guys can see right here, actually 2 days ago, I made a withdrawal of $1,000, and that is going to be coming to my balance, or coming to my bank account in about a week. That's just how it works. You can see right here, it says very clearly minimum balance is 50 because volume transactions. If you get it done between 5 p.m. on a Friday, then payments will get sent to you the following week. So that's how it works. And balances are available for withdrawal after 30 days. So basically, let's say if you make a sale, if you make a sale, then the sale gets transferred to your withdrawable balance after 30 days, and then you can make a withdrawal, and it will reach your account in about 7 days, 5 weeks before you get your actual withdrawal of the earnings that you've done 30 days before, just for you guys to understand. Okay, that's it. I don't want to go into too much of details on this. As you guys can see, I'm basically made my money back that I have spent on the team builder level. You might be asking yourself the question, if you're hearing this now and saying, but David, didn't you spend $2,000 for a lifetime? Well, I actually got it for a discount price of $997, and I can give you that discount price of that $997 if you do decide to get started with my link, and that link is going to be in the description of this video, and you will get access to the $997 option. So that's a 50% discount. The link is in the description. The link is going to be also in the pinned comments. Really consider it, think about it. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Let's get on a call. I don't mind doing that as well, because I want to work with every single person who goes on lifetime very closely, because I believe that this is very much possible to get your money back quite soon with a specific strategy that you follow, and you can definitely earn your money back. And I personally have done it. I think I went to Team Builder in April. So June, July, August, no, May, June, July, August, September, October. In 6 months, I was able to get that $1,000 back without much effort. Okay, and I didn't really put my gas, and didn't put my foot on the pedal, and push the system going and working for me as much as I could have, because of work, because of my life, which definitely has had its impact. But I've still made my money back. Therefore, I think that it is very, very crucial for you guys to understand that just implementing the training can make a difference. Following one of the strategies can make a huge difference. And you definitely, within 12 months, if you give yourself this lifetime option, within 12 months, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to get this income back. Because, and I cannot guarantee you those results, obviously, but I think that the information, I know that the information and the training is so solid that within 12 months you will see some kind of change. Now obviously that depends on you as an individual. Affiliate marketing is not an easy thing to do. It does take time, it does take effort, it does take your own work ethic. I want to be very transparent with that. In the month of October, I was traveling, guys. Okay, in the month of October, I was traveling. I was moving around, but guess what? In the month of October, and I'm going to show you guys this so you can see it clearly. In the month of October, I still made $7 commission here. I'm Magic Link sale here. I made a $27 commission. I got refunded, so it's not about just things that I was earning, but I made a $98 commission. Basically, Team Builders Monthly. Somebody joined and then decided to get a refund in like less than 7 days. Okay, I don't understand people who do this, but it's fine. It's not an issue. That's also part of the journey, right? You get your sales and you get your refunds, and it's very important to know that the refund was there as well. Then I made another sale for the Mega Link, another sale for lead premium, lead minus premium, which was another $29, and so on and so forth. Okay, and if I can go to the next page, there are a couple of other payments that came through as well. But this is the beauty of it. And this month this month of November, I've already made $48 commission here and another $14 commission here. And so I just focus on a few things to get consistent sales coming in every month. Now it doesn't mean daily sales, because as you can see, it's not. Sometimes there's a week that goes past without any sales, and that's okay. Okay, but as long as you're putting in the work and the action, these sales start to accumulate and grow over time, which is what I've seen for myself as well. That means solid strategies, put in the work, get the results. Got it? So that is my personal journey. I love the OLSP system. Honestly, guys, I think it is one of the most comprehensive affiliate marketing products in the space. I'm obviously biased towards it because I'm a member of the OLSP system, but I think that it is really one of the most comprehensive products. One of the most dedicated owners that I know for all of these years. Hats off to him, really. And he's very engaged in the community. So you will never be left alone. Even if it's not me, you're getting access to him at every stage of your journey. So you can see that trainings are available, things are out there. Just I think we're at a stage at this point of time this year. I don't know for you guys, but for me, it's flown by pretty quickly. But I'm happy at the choices that I've made and the effort that I've put. Now it's been good. I've seen the results. And this next year, 2026, is got to be putting more effort on those specific ones that are converting. And the OLSP system is a system, an affiliate marketing training and system that is converting for me. Otherwise, I would not have been able to make the money that I made in the last year with it. So that being said, that's my update for the month of October. I will get back to you guys in November. Basically, this month of October, I earned about $150 to $200 in commissions totally. So that's how it's been going. I wish that it would be higher, and it might get that stage in the next year. I look forward to working with everybody who decides to get started with a lifetime membership. Again, if you want a 50% discount, then the link is in the description. Otherwise, you can just follow this channel, follow the journey. I'm happy to share with every single month and engage with you. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Let's just put it out there, not just for me, not just for you, but for everybody else who's looking and doing their due diligence. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Cheers, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.